Hey guys, so today we're going to start working on the Mustang. We finally got it in the garage. It's our new project that we're going to do. We got it on the dollies. We did a video on the dollies, a review on them. We're going to strip the car down and then we're going to just really see how much work and how much metal work it really needs.
Now that the car is disassembled, Carl and Robbie are seeing what repairs are needed. This is the repaired front fender apron battery box. This is the original damaged firewall and transmission tunnel. The bracing you see was welded in to support the body, while the firewall and upper and lower cowl are replaced. And here it is completed. Here, Robbie is using a plasma cutter to cut out the damaged floors. This is the new floor getting ready to be installed. Detailed videos of these repairs will be in future videos, so hit that bell so you get notifications. Like and subscribe.